फर्स्ट और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है कि आपके पास आपका एक लाइफ इंश्योरेंस होना चाहिए. नाउ इन मोस्ट ऑफ द फैमिली ये सारी चीज़ें पेरेंट्स टेक केयर करते हैं, बट इन सम फैमिलीज पेरेंट्स या तो एक्सपोज नहीं होते हैं इस चीज़ से, या उन्हें इस चीज़ के बारे में पता नहीं होता है, या मे बी उन्हें लगता है कि ये इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ नहीं है, या वो वेल एजुकेटेड नहीं होते इस चीज़ से. So let me tell you, life insurance is very important. As a 25-year-old, I cannot imagine if, God forbid, something has to happen to me, what will happen to my parents and the life that I am providing right now. So it is very important for you to have a life insurance, and it is very important for you to have it in the early age. आप जितने जल्दी लाइफ इंश्योरेंस बाय करोगे उतना कम प्रीमियम आपको पे करना पड़ेगा. सो जस्ट गूगल इट. लेट कमेंट सेक्शन में आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं. आई कैन हेल्प यू विद. दूसरा एंड पहले एडवाइस से रिलेटेड एडवाइस इज गेटिंग अ गुड हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस. मैं एडवाइस करूँगी कि ये आप अपनी पूरी फैमिली के लिए लें, बिकॉज गॉड फॉरबिड कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. एनीबडी कैन गेट इल, एंड एक अच्छा लाइफ इंश्योरेंस और एक अच्छा हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस कीप्स यू इंटैक्ट. तो गेटिंग अ गुड हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस जिसका आपको पे सही टाइम पे मिले. देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ यूट्यूबर्स जिन्होंने इसके बारे में बहुत 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 अच्छी वीडियोस बनाई हैं. इफ़ यू वांट आई कैन कमेंट डाउन बिलो all the links, all the influencers या all the educators whom I find informative. उनकी वीडियोस देख के रिसर्च करके you have to convince your parents if you are not earning, and if you are earning आपको अपनी और अपनी पूरी फैमिली के लिए एक अच्छा सा हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस लेना चाहिए. आप जितनी जल्दी लेंगे अपने और अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए, आपको उतना ही वो इंश्योरेंस चीप या कम प्राइस का पड़ेगा. सो जस्ट लुक एट स्टडी अबाउट दीज गाइज. आप जितना रिसर्च करोगे, आप जितने यूट्यूब वीडियोस देखोगे, आप जितने अपने आसपास के लोगों से इस बारे में पूछोगे, आपको उतनी बेटर डील मिलेगी, उतना बेटर कंपनी मिलेगा फॉर एन इंश्योरेंस. नाउ इफ यू वांट अ पर्सनल हेल्प आई कैन प्रोवाइड यू. Disclaimer, I'm not somebody who is expert in this, but I have taken an insurance for me and my family, so I can of course guide you in what to look out in a health insurance or what to look out in a life insurance. Or I can definitely comment down below the people who are really expert in this and give expert advices. Or you can yourself go to YouTube and search for perfect health insurance, and then you're gonna get a ton of videos जिसका भी वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे, जिसका भी वीडियो आपको समझ आए, आप उसका वीडियो देखें एंड गेट योर सेल्फ एंड योर फैमिली. मेरी तीसरी एडवाइस होगी, अगर आप एक ऐसा कोर्स कर रहे हैं जिसको करते करते यू हैव रियलाइज्ड कि यू आर नॉट गोना अर्न मनी आउट ऑफ इट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैंने जिस कॉलेज से बीबीए किया था, आई रियलाइज्ड वेरी सून कि इस कॉलेज से बीबीए करके मुझे कोई जॉब नहीं मिलने वाली. सो आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग अनदर कोर्स एडिशनल टू माई undergraduation degree, that was graphic designing. Now I was not a good designer. I was never good at anything, but I was good at capturing things very early. So मेरे city में there was this institute where I went and I learned graphic designing. And as soon as I learned graphic designing, I got a good job in a work from home situation because the COVID was boom, so everybody was working from home. And since there, I started my journey as a graphic designer. उस जर्नी से मुझे इतनी अच्छी कंपनीज मिली, मुझे इतने अच्छे लोग मिले काम करने के लिए, एंड आई लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ अदर स्किल्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग. एंड मेरी बीबीए की डिग्री इस चीज़ में कुछ भी काम नहीं आई. नाउ आई नो बीबीए इन मेट्रो सिटीज आर टेकन एज वेरी गुड कोर्स. BBA, BCom. A lot of my friends who did BBA, BCom from a very good college in Mumbai, Pune, they are earning very good. But similarly, जो कोर्स मैंने यहाँ पे किया हुआ है अपनी सिटी में, it didn't got me to a place where I thought I should be or I can be. So getting a good additional course with your degree can really help you. Now there are a lot of courses in the market right now that can promise you a good career even if you don't have a good undergraduation degree. Few courses that I can think of is one, graphic designing, second, digital marketing, third, data analytics. Now all these courses I have done myself. If you want, I can make a very detailed video on the footsteps you can follow to get into these courses. सबसे अच्छी एडवाइस होगी टू सर्च आपके एरिया में, आपकी सिटी में सबसे बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन इस चीज़ को लेके कौन सा है. गेट अ डेमो क्लास देयर, सी कि वो क्या सिखा रहे हैं, कैसे सिखा रहे हैं, बिकॉज getting knowledge in class is the best knowledge you can get, especially when it comes to softwares. I think graphic designing is a very software based education. So I'll suggest you to go in class and do that. But if you don't have anything in your city, just DM me and I can help you in this. I can, whatever videos that I watched while I was doing designing and marketing and analytics, I can share it with you. And yeah, just don't, I think 18 is such a age where you can learn everything and anything. You can work for 12 hours and get everything done. Trust me, I learned graphic designing when I was 21. एंड मैं हमेशा ही सबको बोलती आई हूँ कि आई लॉस्ट 2-3 years ऑफ मी. आई विश जैसे ही मैंने अपनी क्लास 12th पास आउट की मैंने ये चीज़ें सीख ली होती तो शायद आज मैं बहुत बेटर प्लेस में होती, या शायद 2 साल बाद मैं जहाँ होंगी वहाँ मैं आज होती. सो डू नॉट मिस योर चांस एंड गेट अ गुड कोर्स. Another disclaimer, if you are already in a great course, best of luck. Make sure you are studying it very good and make sure it gets you a good job. But this is basically for people who don't have a good course in there. My fourth advice, और ये बहुत लोगों को अच्छी नहीं लगेगी या ये बहुत लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं ऑलरेडी फॉलो करने की बट वो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, इज गेटिंग अ गुड एक्सरसाइज. Guys, I am telling you as a 25-year-old who feels like a 35-year-old, जितनी जल्दी आप एक्सरसाइज शुरू करेंगे, जितनी जल्दी आप अपनी एक्टिविटी, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी बढ़ाएंगे, यू विल बी यंगर. ट्रस्ट मी, हाउ we are feeling at the age of 25, our parents literally used to feel at the age of 35 because उनके टाइम पे बहुत चीज़ें अलग थी, हमारे वक्त पे बहुत चीज़ें अलग हैं. आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ यू आर ऑलरेडी अवेयर कि कितना इम्पॉर्टेंट है फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, and a lot of you know but are not doing enough. Now to get into a good shape, you don't always have to go and buy a gym membership. अगर आपके पास मीन्स है उस चीज़ को बाय करने की, अगर आपके पास टाइम है वो चीज़ करने का, then great, go ahead, gym is the best thing you can do. But if you don't have these two, I am telling you guys, start with Surya Namaskar. It takes an hour almost to do 12 or 15 sets of Surya Namaskar, sets I mean, okay? And start your day with those and some breathing exercises. There are tons of good yogis who have uploaded their videos in YouTube, जिनके साथ आप follow करके वो 12 set कर सकते हैं. Start doing it. Within 3 months, I am telling you, all your health issues, all especially girls in these age, are diagnosed with PCOS, PCOD, and a lot of hormonal issues. Your problems are gonna get solved once you start making sure that you are physically active. Make sure that after every meal you just don't sleep in your bed scrolling your Instagram. I know the social community is making us attached to our phones. It's making us forcing कि हम बिना फोन के रह ही नहीं सकते, हम बिना स्क्रोल के नहीं रह सकते. बट इट्स अ ट्रैप गाइज. द मोर यू विल get yourself educated about these things, the more you will know कि all the reels, all you see, all these influencers, all these content creators who are making, who are going to cafe and who are eating junk, they're all getting paid. And if you are trying to follow their lifestyle with a very little amount of money, you are gonna get. Last and the most important advice for all the girlies right now who are just getting into the trap of marketing and buying everything that is in the skincare world right now, snail mucilin, vitamin C, retinol, this, that, all the noise. I am telling you guys, if you will start learning digital marketing, if you will start educating yourself on how push marketing works, your mind will be blown. This is my face right now. Now, this is not a perfect face. This has so many acne, discoloration. I have some fine lines. I go through some hormonal issues myself. But I'm telling you, this is the best my skin has ever been. I used to be filled with hormonal acne, and then I used to go and buy anything and everything that everybody was saying on the internet solved their acne issues. And I think almost wasting more than ₹1,00,000 in the span of 4 to 5 years when I wasn't even in a position to afford those products. I can tell you it doesn't work. Until and unless you work out well and you eat well, nothing's gonna work out. And to keep your skin secure, you need only 3 products. You're not gonna like it. you are loving the 7-step skincare tutorial, you are loving the Korean beauty, and if you have the means to buy it, if your parents can afford it, if you can afford it, go ahead, great. Just start buying it, start applying it, start experimenting. I would still tell you to not do it, but if you want to do it, it's your money, and I'm nobody to tell you anything otherwise. But अगर आप एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से आते हैं जिनके लिए बाइंग अ 1200 rupees COSRX serum is a lot, it's not gonna work out, guys. Somebody who has used it personally, it's not gonna work out. You only need 3 things to keep your skin healthy and protected. First, a good face wash based on your skin type. Second, a good moisturizer, again based on your skin type. Third, a good sunscreen that's gonna protect you from sun. These 3 are the only 3 things you need right now. And a good lip balm, because if you're not using, you need a good lip balm that you can have of a Nivea or Vaseline, कुछ भी basic सा. You don't have to go to the fancy Nykaa ka website and buy something that's looking extremely fancy and nice and thinking that, oh, if I'm gonna buy it, all my skin issues are gonna resolve. It's not gonna resolve. It's a journey. Whatever we are eating, how much junk we are eating, it's completely affecting our face, our hormones, and everything. So just these 3 things. You don't need anything else. Do not waste your money on it. I am gonna make a detailed video about skincare and skincare journey and what can be what can be good products, what can be budget products that are really good in the market that works really well for you. But till then, please do not buy anything from Nykaa. Just uninstall the website. You don't need it. Uninstall the app. You don't need it, guys. You don't need to waste money on things when you cannot afford. When you reach to a place, when you start earning a certain amount, that's when you can experiment with these things. Or when you have the parents who have a lot of money or who can afford these things, you do these things then. But if you are coming from a middle class family thinking that these things are going to solve your problems, I'm really sorry, but it's not going to solve your problem. So just stop using these. Follow these 5 steps. When you stop this video, make sure whatever points I have said, go and do your own research. One thing that has kept me going, one thing that has kept me always moving forward is मैं कभी भी किसी की advice सुनती हूँ, I take it all in, but I do not just mindlessly follow it. I just go and I research about it. So whatever I have said, even if you like it, don't like it, if you think you can apply it, do your own research as well. And if you have any doubt, if you need any questions, I am here to solve it for you. We are just starting. There are a lot of good videos, there are a lot of good content that I'm going to share with you for your personality development or maybe your career development, and these are all going to be very basic ones. It's not going to promise you a 10K business, it's not going to promise you a glass like skin, but it's just going to help you and survive, and